friends, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping in. On today's video is our Monday motivational clean with me video. And on today's video, I am going through my home, finding those things I forget to clean. So today I am sitting on my kitchen floor about to clean the refrigerator vent. How many of you clean that refrigerator vent? So I don't know how many things I'm going to find, so we will count along the way. I thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you get something motivational from this cleaning video. Thank y'all for stopping in. Have a blessed day.
Okay, friends, we're going to first clean the refrigerator vent, and today we're cleaning things that we don't even think about cleaning, or we overlook, or we haven't even cleaned. So I am going to start with the refrigerator vent. This is number one. And if you do not know how to take out your refrigerator vent, remove it, please get someone to help you. It's very easy. Well, mine is anyway. And it is really dusty. And my husband took it outside and he sprayed it with a water hose. I had to get on my knees because when I looked under there, under actual that vent, it was stuffed with so much lint. So if you're OCD, you may not want to watch this video if you cannot stand seeing dust and dirt. But these are the things that we're going after today that we sometimes overlook or miss in our home. Number two is on top of your refrigerator. And for right now, mine is not that bad. But if you do remember my moonlight cleaning video, I did this. So it's not that bad. But before I did that, oh my God, it was terrible. So don't forget to clean on top of your refrigerator. Number three is to clean the cabinet over the top of the refrigerator. How often do we do that? Now, if you're a person that's scared of heights, you may have to get someone to help you. But you have to clean on top of the refrigerator, the cabinet that's over it. We sometimes never do it because why? You have to get a ladder or stand in a chair or whatever. But we're hitting these spots today, guys. These little things really do matter. Number four is on top of the cabinets. Those cabinets that's over your stove and those cabinets that you may not can reach. On top of those cabinets gets really dirty. We're good at wiping the cabinets off and the handles, but the top sometimes we miss. And I thank all my friends, my faithful friends, for staying connected with me. And if you're new today, please do subscribe if you like this video. Leave a comment and do like. Please comment so I know that you came by and so I can connect with your video. So friends, let's stay connected. Number five is on top of your microwave. If you have a over the stove microwave, that gets so dirty and greasy. Make sure you clean that. And if you do not have over the stove microwave and you have a counter microwave, clean on the top, clean around the side of it, guys, and clean on the back of it. You'll be surprised where dirt is hiding. Number six is your ceiling molding. I know a lot of times it's hard to reach it, but if you can reach those, clean those. And if it's over the stove, if it's not reachable, you'll have to get someone to help you to clean those. Because guys, it does get dirty up here. And as you see, it get dirty and it stains. So catch those high molding. Any kind of molding you have in your home, if you touch it, trust me, and you haven't cleaned it in a while, 9 times out of 10, I guarantee you, dirt is on it. I apologize, I'm moving around a lot with the video, but I'm trying to clean with one hand and tape with the other. But guys, you get the point. So if this is going to help you to notice those things that you haven't been cleaning, and now you say, now Penny, I see what you're talking about, please comment. If it's anything I missed, please still do comment. Number 7 is the vents under the microwave. So if you have a over the stove microwave, don't forget to clean those vents. I was surprised when I looked under there when I first got this, and I looked on it a few months later. I said, what? The vent is this dirty? So what I did, guys, I kind of just put some water in a pan of mine, and you can do it in the sink if you desire. And I just put some Dawn dish soap, some hot water, and a little bit of bleach, and I just kind of let it soak for a couple of hours to get the grease out of it, and that helps clean these vents. Trust me, it'll save you from doing a whole lot of scrubbing. Number 8 is behind the refrigerator. And to be honest with you, it's really not that bad because me and my husband did it a few weeks earlier. And number 9 is behind the stove. Now, what I would find behind the refrigerator was a knife fell back there and just little odd things. So it wasn't that bad. It really wasn't. Now, number 10 is between the stove and your cabinet, and on the side of the stove is very dirty. So guys, if you have to get a tool, I can maneuver mine and move mine. But if you can get a tool to clean behind it, I'm telling you, dirt cakes up and chrome cakes up right between that stove and that cabinet, and the corner between that stove. I'm telling you guys, look between there, you'll see some things, you'll be surprised. Okay, friends, we're at number 11. We're at the window sills, and trust me, they get real dirty. We're going to just go through that real fast. To get to number 12, these outlets, your covers. And guys, do not put no water around your electricity, so I end up taking it off. I first did it with some Dawn to try to clean it, but then I end up cleaning this and soaking it in another pan with some bleaching water, and it came out so much better. So look at those light covers and outlet covers. They get so dirty, and some things we forget to clean during our routine. But once you get this, guys, just do it every 2 weeks or once a month, and you will never have a problem. So once I've learned to do this, I haven't had a problem, but now I found out some other things I have been missing in my home. Number 13 is your decor, your decoration. Don't forget to clean that. Number 14 is my dryer vent. I always keep forgetting about this thing, and it is bad. So my husband took it and washed it outside. So there's the before and the after. It looks so much better. I just have to remind myself about this vent. Number 15 is our last one for today. And guys, I hope this is helping you out. Don't forget to clean your light switch. I'm not talking about the covers, but the light switch holder. And guys, I haven't cleaned it since I put this light up last year, and it was really dirty. So I hope this has been a blessing to you on today. And thank you so much for watching and taking time to watch this video. Y'all know I appreciate y'all. Friends, don't give up on your dream. Don't give up on your business. Keep hope alive and keep on dreaming. God bless you. Friends, I thank you so much for joining me on my Motivational Monday cleaning video. And friends, I have left you another video on the end screen. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Y'all have a blessed, prosperous day from Penny. Bye-bye until I see you on my next video. God bless you.